Hi ladies, welcome back. In this video I have 3 natural products that I've been using and I highly recommend them to you to prevent stretch marks while pregnant. My first and probably the best product, it is cocoa butter. Don't worry about packaging. I've been ordering from the same company for years and they always send it to me in like a different packaging. So packaging doesn't matter. Also the source doesn't matter. I think if you buy it organic and raw, unfiltered, blah, 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 the good stuff, you're gonna try to stick to as much natural product as possible. You're gonna be safe. Why I love it? I love it because I feel like it's the best. There must be a reason why almost all of the products preventing stretch marks use cocoa butter as an ingredient or like even main ingredient. And there are 2 ways how I use it. I use it raw, I just rub it on my belly. Or I also melt it with and mix it with other butters just to make my own butters. Watch for that video coming, how I make it. But I think even if you really want to save money, this is definitely something that you need to get as a necessary product for stretch marks because it's just the best. And even if you do have stretch marks, keep using it because it's gonna moisturize your skin. If you're shopping for any products and you're limited, this is definitely something that you need to get. I'm gonna put the link below so you'll have no problems finding cocoa butter. Next up, shea butter. Amazing, amazing butter. And again, I tried different sources. This is my last source that I use and I really like the butter. Now, you can have different color, you can have different location, like where the butter comes from. And I particularly like this one. It's ivory, it's organic, 100% pure. But I like this, the texture, like you can totally dig out some and put it on your skin, just like as a natural product. I mean, like, look at this. You don't have to like melt it, you don't have to use anything else. It is thick, it is gonna be greasy, but I like the softness of it. And this is it. It's an easy and quick fix right before you go to sleep. You put it on your belly or even on your skin, on your hands, and it's amazing. Definitely get it. I have one more product to show you, sweet almond oil. I love it and I am not using it specifically by itself. I usually mix it with butters when I make my own butter. Also, you can look for coconut oil. You can buy it anywhere. I ran out, I don't have a box with me anymore to show you, but I also like to use coconut oil in mixture with something else. Watch for the video because I'm gonna definitely shoot and show you guys how I make my own butters and how I mix the products and put them on the belly. So this is it. I really want you to stay healthy and don't think like those products will prevent stretch marks 100% because it depends on your skin and your genes and other factors as well. But you have absolutely nothing to lose when you moisturize your skin because your belly is gonna feel amazing and then you're gonna have this feel like you're doing something to prevent stretch marks. But even if you do get stretch marks, keep moisturizing. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you best. No stretch marks, have beautiful bellies, enjoy your pregnancy, and have a happy baby. I'll see you in my next video.